Hello guys! Today I will tell you about some special words called collective nouns. Class. My class goes to the cinema every Sunday. My class go to the theater monthly. Which sentence is correct? My class goes to the cinema every Sunday. My class go to the theater monthly. Actually, both. But why? Let's find out. So, there are some words that can be singular and plural at the same time. For example, class. A class equals one class, one social unit. At the same time, a class has more than one person, so it's plural. It has several members. Such nouns are called collective nouns. They collect several members into a group. Here are some more common collective nouns. A. Singular collective nouns. Audience, family, staff. Plural and pair collective nouns. Goods, jeans. B. Nouns, subjects, activities, ending in S. Physics, aerobics. Nouns without S. Police. How can we understand whether a collective noun should be plural or singular? A. A collective noun is singular if it acts as a unit, acts together in unison. My class goes to the cinema every Sunday. A collective noun is plural if the members act as individuals and do different things. A staff always go home when the work is over. B. Nouns, subjects, activities ending in S are used with a singular verb. Physics is my favorite subject. C. Nouns which have singular and plural form depend on the context. This series is old. Those series are new.